So before I continue with first principle method of differentiation, let us try to use general method and solve one example before I can move to other method of differentiation. Remember that when I am through with general method, I'm going to enter first principle method of differentiation, and I will tell you how that is being done. So let us solve one problem on general method before we can move to first principle. Alright, so we have solution. We have solution. And the question says that y is equal to 6x squared plus 4x. And we are asked to find the y, the x. Okay? Now, I told you earlier that to solve using general method, that the formula for this is y equal to nx to the power of n minus 1. Alright? So this is what we are going to use to solve this. Alright, so let us try to use this and solve this. And before you can solve for this, we are going to differentiate part by part. Alright, so we are going to have, let's say, the y, the x, now we are differentiating, is equal to 2 times 6 is 12. 12x, alright. N is 2 here. Can we say 2 minus 1? Alright, you put the plus sign, plus. Remember there is invisible 1 here. 1 times 4. You're going to have 1 times 4 x to the power of 1 minus 1. Right? So 1 minus 1 is 0. So the y, the x, is equal to 12 minus 2 minus 1 is 1. So this now becomes 12x. We have done with that. You put the plus sign, plus. Now 1 times 4 is 4. Alright, let me try to simplify this place. Now this now become, the whole of this is now becoming the whole of this is now becoming 4 to the power of 4x to the power of 1 minus 1. Okay, now this is equal to 4. 1 minus 1 is 0, so x to the power of 0. X to the power of 0 will give you 1, so this equals 4 times 1. So the whole of this is equal to 4. So when differentiating something like this, the whole of this will now become 4. So that's how to differentiate that function. In our next video, we are going to talk about first principle method of differentiation.